Hi, my name is Lisanne from Staalmeester brushes. In this video series I will be telling you all about our unique brush and roller series. Today I'm going to tell you about our One by Staalmeester series. This brush series is our top of the bill, highest quality brush series. These brushes are fully handmade of 100% synthetic bristles. Because of the very high quality, extremely soft bristles, you'll create a streak-free result even when you have zero painting experience. Besides the traditional round brushes, this collection contains a wide range of very unique brushes. First of all, the brush that I'm holding in my hand right now can be used for laying off, but it also can be used for gold leafing. We also have the traditional spalter brushes, which are used for laying off doors, window frames, large surfaces mainly. But our collection also contains artist brushes, like the fine artist brushes that you can use for painting very detailed work or lettering, but also the angled brushes and the bent fitch brushes. With this brush series, you'll create the most beautiful result on both in and outdoor projects because it can be used with both water-based and oil-based paints. There's just nothing better. But don't trust me on my word. Feel and you know why this is the one. Has this video made you curious about our other brush series? Check our website.